Welcome to our dashcam showdown. Today we will be comparing two popular dashcams, the ROVE R2-4K and the Baesu dashcam front and rear. We'll dive into their features, specifications, and what makes each of them unique. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which dashcam suits your needs best. The ROVE R2-4K offers stunning 4K Ultra HD video quality, ensuring that every detail is captured clearly. In contrast, the Baesu dashcam provides 2.5K resolution for its front camera, which, while still good, does not match the clarity of 4K. For those who prioritize video quality, the ROVE R2-4K stands out as the superior option. When it comes to recording angles, the Baesu dashcam excels with its triple-channel setup, capturing footage from the front, inside, and rear of the vehicle. On the other hand, the ROVE R2-4K is a single-channel dashcam, focusing solely on the front view. If comprehensive coverage is what you need, the Baesu dashcam is the better choice. The ROVE R2-4K comes equipped with built-in Wi-Fi 6 and GPS, allowing for easy file transfers and location tracking. In contrast, the Baesu dashcam does not specify having these features, which may limit its functionality. For users looking for advanced features, the ROVE R2-4K is the clear winner. In conclusion, both dashcams have their strengths. The ROVE R2-4K offers superior video quality and advanced features, making it ideal for those who want the best recording experience. Meanwhile, the Baesu dashcam provides a more affordable option with comprehensive coverage. Depending on your needs, either could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.